Welcome to this step-by-step guide on installing and setting up ValveLink Solo User and Permission. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the key steps to ensure your software is properly configured and ready to use. After installing ValveLink, launch the application. Your user ID should appear as Administrator Read-Only in the top right corner, indicating successful installation. To configure ValveLink, go to the Customize ValveLink menu in the top navigation bar. In the Customize ValveLink dropdown, click Users and Groups. This opens the User and Group Management interface, where you can set access roles. In the Users and Groups window, click the Add button at the bottom left. Then click Advanced to open more search options for adding a new user. A new window will appear. Click the Locations button to change the search directory, ensuring you target the correct environment for your user search, or adjust the directory to search in a specific domain or computer. Once the correct location is set, click Search to find and display all users or groups available within that. Select the appropriate group or user, such as ValveLink Software Admins, and click OK to confirm. This assigns the correct user access and activates administrative permissions. To allow full access, make sure to uncheck the Read-Only box. This step is required to enable editing and advanced features. Now, select the appropriate privileges depending on the user's role. You can enable actions such as calibrating, configuring, running diagnostics, or editing database tags. You've now completed the Solo User and Permission tutorial. Thank you for following this guide.